Well, hello friends. Today we're going to do something really simple and relaxing that I've been meaning to do for a while, and it's going to be adding a custom icon to the home directory. So the home directory here, it looks like any other directory, and I feel like it would be kind of nice if it had a little home on it. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll start by just making a new icon. I think we'll just base it on the existing folder icon. So we'll start with file type folder, and let's also grab the go home, which is the house, and I guess we can make a small variant as well. So we'll put that here. Okay. So first we do some icon editing. I think for the big one, we can just take this house here and paste it into this guy. And maybe we'll put it down here. Looks pretty cool. So I think that's a nice look. So we'll call this home directory. We'll uncheck all of these things. I don't know why, but we will. Okay. And then let's make a small variant as well. So here we'll do something like pasting this, making it a new layer, and then let's scale down the house. So where's that thing? Scale layer, right? So scale it down to half size. Put it maybe around here. And let's see, it's a little bit on the blurry side. Maybe we can tighten that up by just taking out these extra pixels here. And maybe with this one, we'll just fill that in. Get rid of the translucency. Yeah, that's not bad. And it looks pretty good zoomed out. So let's call this home directory as well. And then let's see. So how do we make this show up? So in both the left-hand side tree view here and the right-hand side icon view or table view or columns view, they're all showing data from the file system model that we have in libgui. So we'll just go in the file system model, and wherever we look up the icon role for a node, let's see, so if it's a directory, then let's say if it's selected, it should be a custom. Okay, so let's do it this way then. So if node, can we get the path? I need the full path here. I guess, okay, so then I need to pass the model, that's fine. If the full path is equal to core standard paths home directory icon, okay. And then we need to include standard paths. Okay, and finally, we should also grab the home directory icon that we created. So that one was called home directory. Okay. Oh, home directory icon. Oops. So that seems pretty reasonable. And then, what am I forgetting? I guess the little location box has the icon in it as well, so that's not going to look quite right. So now this shows up here, looking very nice. And if we open here, we can see the little house here, also looking very nice. Maybe we could make a slightly sharper variant, I don't know. It's a bit sad that it disappears when we open the thing. Maybe we can make an open variant of it as well. It wasn't terribly difficult. I dislike the blurriness of it a little bit. Maybe we can even that out by just doing this. And let's see, could we get away with that? I think maybe that's a little on the harsh side. But maybe it works. This is not half bad, actually. Okay, so let's try it, and then we'll also use the, where's the other one? 16 by 16 folder open. Okay, copy this layer and make a new layer out of that. Put that down here somewhere. I guess that kind of works. Let's see how it behaves if we put it in the thing. So home directory open. And let's also store that here. So home directory open icon. This is just one of those little things that I've been meaning to do forever and just never get around to it. So I'm glad that we're actually doing it. I guess yeah, there we go. And then I was saying about the location box. It's not going to show this icon. Neither will the window icon is not going to be updated either. So here we are. We have home and on. If we select that, it looks, yeah, that looks really good actually. I mean, it's simple, it's subtle, but it just feels right. So very like. And then yeah, so we got this one right here. We could update this one when we're in our home directory, likewise with the window icon. So let's see about doing that. First off, we'll just add these icons. Base, add special icons for the home directory. It's basically, it's file type folder, but with little houses on them. All right. And then just adding it to the file system model. Show a special icon for the home directory in file system model. Cool. And then in file manager main location, what is that called? Location text box. So here's what we currently do. We just set the icon once on startup and then we never change it. So I'm thinking that we will, we have to hook into the path changing somewhere. Where do we hook into that? Do we have on path change? Perfect. That's exactly what we want. So I think we can just kind of cheese it a little bit here right now and just say if new path is core standard paths home directory, then location text box set icon. I guess we could stash these icons somewhere. So let's see, where were we loading it? File type folder. Yeah, so really we could store this icon somewhere and reuse it. Folder icon. Oh wait, these are separate files. Dang it. Alright, let's make a helper. Folder icon. Static graph footer to graphics bitmap icon. Something like that. And we'll make one for the home directory as well. There's a little bit of a disconnect between folder and directory here. Maybe we should call these file type directory instead. I don't know where the folder came from, because like I think we call them directories in most of the system, and then file manager kind of calls it folder, but we don't call it home folder. So maybe it would be sensible to switch the terminology to directory everywhere, but let's not worry about that now. So file type folder. Here what we'll do is we'll just say folder icon. Actually, we won't set anything here at all. We'll update it here instead. So window set icon. Let's update the window icon as well. So on path change. If it's the home directory, then set the home directory icon. Else, actually we can even do it this way. Okay, icon is this icon. Icon is that icon. And then we will set it both on the window and on the location text box. I think that might give a pleasant effect where we update like the window icon and the taskbar icon. Everything will update, hopefully. Actually, I don't think I've ever changed the icon of a running program before, so I don't know how that will behave. We don't have the right icon here or here. So if we leave, go back, so now the icon is correct here, it's correct here. That's good, but after startup, it was not the right icon immediately. Which is a bit weird. So what causes it to get set? Go in here and then go up. That works. Okay, what if we just press go home? Doesn't do anything. So maybe we don't get an initial on path change. I'm thinking. Could that be it? Windows set icon. Or maybe this happens after the initial on path change, actually. So let's just get rid of that. Yes, that was it. Okay, so we just overrode it after the path change notification. So here we go. Now we have a special home directory icon. Very cool. Looking very nice here as well. And of course here, looking special indeed. And I never saved my, wait. So it's slightly different if it's activated. It's like this, it's slightly darker. Because I never saved my darkened original. So let's do that. Okay. Just to sharpen it up a little bit, see how that feels. So it looks really good on this monitor. Tell me if it looks bad on your monitor, but I like the way it looks here. Nice, very nice. Simple but nice. So cool. Let's commit this. So this one will just squash into the previous. Wait, no, just amend. What am I doing? Oh, amend. Yes. Oh, crap. That was not... I didn't amend it into the right commit. Dang it. Alright, let me fix this up. Wait, now this one is the last... Okay, so now we can amend it here. Wow, what a silly mess I just made. But we're fixing it. So, what did we have? This commit message was... Yeah, let's just redo it. Okay. Show a special icon for the home directory. The home directory icon now shows in the file manager window title bar and alongside the path in the location text box. Very nice. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for today's video. Very, very simple, but nice little piece of polish, I think. Just gives that slight little bump in cohesion when you take care of little things like this. So that's good. Let's see if this actually shows up in the thing here. So it doesn't show here, but if we go up here, yeah, this shows up. So I want it to show up here as well. Let's fix the file picker. I'll set icon. Yeah, right. So do we have when the path changes? How do we learn here that the path has changed? Set root. Oh, there are so many different places. Well, let's have a place to do that then. So we'll make a helper. Set path. And we'll capture this. something like this, and then this will just be that, and then set path. And let's see, we need the standard paths. Maybe there should be like a more general way of saying something like, give me the icon for this folder, because then we could do like per folder custom icons and stuff like that. But right now, let's just patch it in this way. So set root path, this becomes just set path, right? Set path, set path, set path. Oh, wait, we can't capture that. Right, so we'll have to put this as a member function, but that's okay. Set path. File picker, set path. No, set path. Model set root path. There we go. Okay. And then of course we have to make sure that nobody else calls the model directly. Okay, and then here, if path is core standard paths home directory, then set icon. Maybe I'll be lazy here and just load the icon every time. I don't know. And that'll work, I guess. That's okay. Also, why am I calling set icon set icon? That doesn't make any sense. Copy paste mistake there. Okay. But yeah, let's just write up a commit message here. Let GUI show the special home directory icon in GUI file picker. Yeah, so we should probably think about having an API for this, but there it is at least. And then we leave this directory, come back, shows up. Very nice. All right, so this is gonna be it for today's video. I just wanted to do a little tiny desktop polish video for once, because it's been so many like deep dive emulator videos lately. So here's that. Thank you for checking it out, and I hope that you saw something interesting, or at least I like this kind of thing. I don't know how other people feel about desktop polish, but to me it's very satisfying work, because you do these little things and they just elevate the whole of what you're working on. So it's very satisfying. Anyway, thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.